What's the meaning of chervil? Chervil. Chervil.
Chervil. Chervil. Chervil is a delicate herb with a subtle anise flavor and is commonly used in French cuisine. It has feathery leaves and can grow up to 12 inches tall. Chervil is often added to dishes such as soups, stews, and sauces, as well as to egg dishes and salads. The herb is rich in nutrients, including vitamins A and C, iron, and calcium, and is believed to have medicinal properties like aiding digestion. Overall, chervil is a flavorful and nutritious herb that adds depth and complexity to a variety of dishes.